All right, it's Thursday, February 15th. I'm buying Tesla here at 193.93. And I just thought I'd point out a really nice setup with high probability when it occurs. In this case, Tesla, you can see here what I really like on the structure to open the day, a big green bar to start, pause on bar number 2, and then starting up on bar 3. So that's a very good setup typically to show that the opening price action is holding and will continue higher. So I bought it here at the blue line. It's heading up. Also, very strong probability on the daily chart you're going to reach this target. So you have a little window up there to 194.73. And we're at 194, 38, 40 right now. So you can almost go a point higher and set up a no-risk trade if you just want to get that first target, which is very high probability. And that's kind of the thing, this kind of pattern here, opening up, strong, pausing on bar 2, and then following through with a definite, a very high probability target, sets you up for just, a very nice gain. Then you kind of judge at that point, do you hold there and continue higher to the next targets, or is that a failure area? But you have a high probability to get at least a point out of it. And then on the weekly chart, I really like this reversal here, which now, kind of held the midpoint of the prior week, and we're heading higher. And this next target is, I think, 196.36. So it looks like on the broadening action, even on a smaller time frame, we're heading up to 196. And then you get the psychological 200 area and everything else. If we get a nice, one push up, pause, second push up. So you kind of judging along the way the 3 different targets. The 194.90 area up here, then the 196 area up here. And then if you really get a nice move today on Tesla, and there's the first target, you could be heading back up, to the psychological and the gap, the 200 area. So we'll see what unfolds today. I just think it's high probability for immediate follow through. And that to me is a winning trade no matter what happens. Even if it fails, you could manage it, once you hit that first target. So we'll see if we get 2 pushes up today. The continuity is all in place, on the bigger picture to get there. In the bigger picture, as long as we hold the midpoint of this first bar and any pausing in here, then it still looks like we're heading higher. So let's see if we kind of reach those high probability targets.